All right, here's the weekly announcements for April 20th through 26th. Task number 1, read chapter 9 in the textbook. Task number 2, take reading quiz 10 about race. Task number 3, we're kind of changing it up this week. So you should complete individual activity number 6, census enumerators. If you want to work with your small group, I think that's great. So send them an email, ask if anybody else wants to work together. Even if a couple of you just want to do it together, that's fine. Make sure you just include your names on the worksheet when you submit it. If not, if you're just going to do it on your own, just work through it on your own. Task number 4. Review the first lecture, which is a little bit shorter. It includes some definitions and instructions for watching the documentary. Then watch the documentary Race, the Power of an Illusion, only episode 3, The House You Live In. So Newsreel has given us free access since if we were at school on campus, I would have gotten the DVD from the library. So they've given us access via their digital streaming, but each person only has individual URL to use. So please only click on your link. Those links are going to be available until the middle or end of May. And once you've clicked on the link and done it, you only have access to it for 1 week. So please be careful and only use the link that's next to your name. And then you've got a learning check question, so you should respond to that after you watch the documentary. Task number 5, review the lecture on racism and white privilege. That's a longer lecture. So what's due this week? By Sunday night on the 26th, you should have turned in reading quiz 10, your individual activity worksheet 6, and your learning check response. And then what's next? So next week, on the week of April 27th through May 3rd, we're going to be looking at the topic of family. We've got 2 lessons to cover and 1 SGA. And that's your announcements for this week.